Hi, my name is Milda and I am the co-founder of MS Research and Training Academy. Today I'm talking about one of my favorite topics, which is emotion regulation at work. So I will probably be accurate to say that all of us, or probably 99.9% of us, we have to deal with people at work at some level, either virtually or in person, either on Zoom or on site. But working with people demands us to adjust our emotions, to regulate our emotions, to change expression of our emotions, which is quite demanding. And today I'm going to tell you how and what you should do to sustain and keep replenishing your resources so you're still productive, happy, and successful at work. So as a researcher, I am interested in emotional labor. It is a term that was introduced by this researcher, Arlie Hochschild, and she discussed two main techniques or two main strategies that we use to regulate or manage our emotions at work. The first strategy is so-called surface acting. And really, as the name suggests, we change our emotions, but we only change our surface emotions, so the way we express our emotions. The internal feeling remains unchanged. So, for example, I wake up this morning and I don't really feel like going to work. I may feel tired or depressed, perhaps sad. But working at a restaurant or let's say hospitality business, I know that I have to be nice and friendly and polite and smiley to my customers. So this is what I do. I put a smile on my face. However, the internal feeling conflicts with what I show to other people at work. This actually causes what we call in psychology emotional dissonance, and ultimately can deplete your emotional resources, even physical resources, and you can end up in burnout, depletion, or even depression. The second strategy is deep acting. Now, deep acting, the name suggests that we actually try and change the emotion we experience. So even if we feel tired or sad, we try to either force ourselves to feel differently, so feel more positive, or we can think of something positive and nice. Maybe imagine ourselves lying on the shore of the ocean or thinking about the upcoming holiday that we're planning for a while now. So this helps us to actually change the internal feeling, but also expressions that other people see in us. The challenging thing is that both strategies come at a cost, or may come at a cost. So we need to put in an effort. And I like to use metaphor of a glass full of water. We are a glass full of water, which means that we have limited resources. We have limited emotional resources, and throughout a day of work, if we use our resources one by one, pace of work is really high, we end up depleted, exhausted, burned out. Now, what should you do? I'm going to tell you 3 things that you should try and apply in your work life. So first of all, if you have to deal with customers, clients, colleagues, your leaders, if it's really high intense, people-focused job, make sure that you have breaks, that you have regular breaks of at least 5 or 10 minutes. The second suggestion from me is have a good night's sleep. Make sure that you rest well. And the third one, when you get back home, do something that you really love. Just allow yourself to get back to yourself and do something fun, something exciting. That's it from me, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and be your best possible self.